Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to order clothes from Pinterest. If we find fashion inspirations or outfits we love, we will guide you step by step on how to find the source, check availability, and make a purchase safely. Now, let's get started. On your Pinterest dashboard, we can search for items. For example, we can type dress for sale or jacket. Let's say we search for jacket. We cannot check out directly on Pinterest, but as you can see, there is a website link. We just need to visit that website to check if the item is available to buy. As we can see, we are taken to the Mango shop. Now we can start buying by clicking on the item and following the order process. Once we place the order, we can pay online. That's it. We now know how to order clothes from Pinterest and have them delivered straight to our door.